Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an up close look at this grabber reacher here. So it comes just like this. You can see it just has a little sleeve around it. So I'll pull that off. And then you can see it's super compact. So it comes folded. To put it together, you just simply unfold it and push it together. And then it locks in place. It still feels sturdy even though it's, breaks down. I really like that it has the ergonomic, like rubber soft grip here. And then you also have a rubber grip in the jaws here, so it holds on to whatever you're trying to pick up off the ground, or if you're trying to reach up to a shelf, grab cans or whatever off a high shelf, it's really nice for that. I also want to show you that I really like it has this magnet on the end. So if you drop keys or something like nails, something, metal, whatever, maybe the grabber can't grab it, but this magnet is strong enough to pick up. I've got a pretty full set of keys here and it grabs those and holds on to them really nice. So I think that's really cool. So again, I think it's just a really convenient thing to have around, especially again if you have high shelves or whatever, or even just to pick up stuff out in the yard. Definitely my kids love playing with this type of stuff too, and for the value or the cost, it's a good value. So definitely think it's worth it. I think it's nice to have around.